Now I wanted to show y'all this. As I told y'all in my previous videos, I have been battling aphids on these brassicas all season. Even on my ornamental mustard greens that I had on the deck. But what hasn't succumbed to the evil aphid were the brassicas that I have beside my onions. And all it takes is these little onions that I showed y'all how to start from the grocery store. I just tucked these right beside my purple cabbage. And, I was planting them late, so they're probably already in a weakened state anyway. So they should have gotten aphids, but no aphids in this bed. And no aphids in the tree collar bed, where I have them planted beside the chives and the walking Egyptian onions. There's a piece of tree collar that I need to cut, but as you can see, it's right up beside the Egyptian walking onion. And I got the remaining purple cabbage over here. No aphids on the taller part of the tree collard. So y'all pay attention to this companion planting. I always heard about planting certain things beside your brassicas, but I didn't really pay any attention to it until I saw how bad the other brassicas are being affected by the aphids and how these aren't even phased. The aphids won't come near these brassicas, and I'm thinking it's because they're beside the onions. Now I have a rosemary bush in here too, so that's probably helping, but yeah. So if you have some of those green onions from the grocery store, check out my video on how to get those to sprout for you and plant them. They like cool weather as long as you keep the frost off of them. You can go ahead and stick them out there with your brassicas. I think I'm going to go to the grocery store and get a few more and plant those over there in the collard green bed, because yeah, it has been an ongoing battle, but just wanted to bring y'all that garden quickie.